Hey everyone, welcome back to Possible Audio. I decided to do a quick video on the crossover network and my Klipsch Cornwall I speakers. These are dated 1980 and the results are amazing. Simple to do, takes about 20 or 30 minutes a speaker. So I want to share that with you right quick. Let's get to the video. Hey everyone. I decided to replace the capacitors on the crossover network in my Cornwall Is. These are from 1980. This is the B network. And I ordered a kit from Michael Kreitz. I've already done one speaker, so this is half the parts. So we get 2 zip ties, a couple of capacitors, a couple of standoffs, a schematic. But I've already done one speaker, and I wanted to just sit and compare. And let me tell you, it was substantial, the difference. And some people don't like it. I mean, it's a small amount that I've read online that are like, no, don't do that. But it seems like 90% of people are like, yes, do this. This is the way. And after doing one speaker and comparing, I was blown away. So I'm doing the second speaker. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. But you just change out these 2 oil-filled capacitors with the new black ones, and that's basically it. This is what it looks like with the capacitors mounted on the little standoffs and zip tied in place. And I'm going to solder up the wires and add a little bit of the heat shrink tubing. And then we will mount the crossover back on the side panel, put the back cover on, and be done. All right, the nice thing about this is I left all the wires the original length. So if you want to put the old cans back in for whatever reason, you can do that. Well, I've been sitting here listening to this, and it is definitely an improvement, mainly in the higher frequencies and the mids. I can't tell any difference in the lower, but it's got a lot more clarity, and it's not harsh. It's not bright. I've listened to some jazz, no problems there. This is definitely an improvement. One more thing, Michael Kreitz and Kreitz Speakers, they don't know I made this video. This is not some kind of endorsement or anything like that. I went and I bought the kit myself off of their website. This is the silver edition kit. It was $65 for the B network. They have multiple kits for all different kinds of networks. This was easy. This was like 20, 30 minutes a speaker. So I totally recommend it. That's it. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.